Well, tax filing season is underway, and there are already some looming deadlines to keep in mind.
Yeah, they are important. Liz Coe is watching your wallet tonight and walks us through those timelines.
The most important deadline is April 18th, which is the federal tax filing deadline. This is the date by which you must file your taxes with the IRS. It's also the deadline to file for a tax extension. Remember though, a tax extension gives you more time to submit your return, not pay your taxes. Even if you request an extension, you must pay any taxes you owe to the federal government by April 18th. That's just over 2 months away. In the meantime, there's actually a deadline this Wednesday, February 15th. If you were exempt from tax withholding in 2022, this is the deadline to file a new form with your employer if you intend to reclaim that exemption for 2023. Now, if this is you, you must file a new W-4 form by this Wednesday with your employer to have the same exemption status for another year. If it's not updated by then, your tax status will revert to single with 0 exemptions, which is the highest withholding status. The next deadline is April 3rd. This is only for people who turned 72 years old in 2022 and if you have a traditional IRA or 401k. NerdWallet says the IRS spends a lot of time and energy making sure people do not tap their retirement accounts, imposing taxes and penalties on most early withdrawals. So it might surprise you to learn that at a certain point, the federal agency forces you to take money out of your account through what's called required minimum distributions, or RMD. So if you turned 72 last year and you have a tax-deferred retirement account, you must take that RMD by April 3rd. It's important to note that this does not apply for Roth IRA accounts. Financial advisors say taking RMDs is important to avoid penalties because those are some of the steepest the IRS can enforce. We will post all of these tax filing deadlines, this timeline for you on the 9 News app.